Let me tell you what this course is not. In case I didn't stress this badly enough in the previous lectures, let me stress this again. This course is not a diet. The rules below do not teach you a diet. I do not recommend any pill, any herb, any specific technique or exercise. I do not want you to do thousands of repetitions of anything. Basically, I don't recommend anything that I haven't done and don't do myself. I don't teach you anything that I know that I shouldn't teach you, that you and I should not do. I don't recommend anything that I haven't tried on myself for a very, very long time. This course is not about a fad. It's not about a nutrition trend that is hot now, but it will be rejected or even forgotten in the future. Everything that I teach in this course is here to stay. It is used now and will be used in the future by wise people who understand that miracles don't exist and everything that they're getting as far as results today is a consequence of something they've done in the past. This course is not a eat all you want and lose weight type of advice. There is no such thing as eat all you want and lose weight. I'm talking from deep knowledge in the field accumulated over many, many years of personal experience and experience teaching others. Losing weight requires effort, serious effort, and a lifestyle change. There is no other way around it. Remember, if you keep doing what you've always done, you'll keep getting the results you've always gotten. And finally, this course does not intend to punish you for past mistakes or the lack of present results. The sole intent of this course is to lay down the truths of why we're so screwed up health-wise today and how to undo the damage by simply giving the body what it's well adapted to reacting favorably to and avoiding what the body is ill adapted to reacting favorably to. Simple as that.